welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you my monthly layout for July, and I also wanted to show you my debt tracker and my debt payoff plan. But first I just wanted to say that I am not home. I do not have my tripod, so I'm using my camera and I will just be holding it with my mini camera. So I hope you are okay with it moving a little bit, but hopefully next time I will have my big tripod. But hopefully it is fine for now. So this is the deluxe monthly planner and I'm just so happy. I love this so much. It's so pretty. Lee's birthday, and then for my monthly goals I want to save $50, and I just want to save $50 because I have not been doing good with money, so that's a big goal of mine. And then I need to pack up my stuff before July 25th because I move into my new apartment on the 1st. And then my third goal is no Starbucks because I'm addicted. So I need to stop spending my money on Starbucks. And then also a no spend. So I have another YouTube channel. It's my beauty channel, like beauty and lifestyle, I guess. I have been using it all through college. So I will post my channel in the description box if you would like to check that out. It's pretty cool. I do daily vlogs. I post about my college experience and beauty stuff because I'm a girl and I love makeup. So this is also one of my goals. And then important, where I am going to Cedar Point with my friends on the 14th. As of right now, I'm like 50-50 on it because I just got paid and I'm not working part-time. I'm literally a sub at my local preschool, so I'm not making enough money, so I don't know if I will be able to go to Cedar Point, but we will see. Faster Horses, I just bought my tickets and everything, so I will be going to that for the weekend, and I cannot wait to vlog it. I went last year and it's just a blast. It's a country music festival in my state and it's like the biggest one ever, and I really love going. And then I move into my apartment on the 1st. So I do not know what to do for this. So if you guys have any ideas of what I should do, write them in the comments. I would really appreciate it because I really want to do something, but I just have no clue what I want to do. Also, sorry, this is really plain. I am new to the planning community. This is like my first ever month. My first month of actually buying planner stickers and doing everything, so I have no clue what I'm doing, literally. But yeah, so I just bought the basics and I'm pretty excited. I really did not want to go with a 4th of July theme. I'm just not big on themes, so yeah. That's just me. I'm pretty weird, but whatever. Also, the washi tape I had was not big enough to fit this, so I'm going to go to Walmart today and see if I can fit this or put something for this. We will see. If I do, I will have an updated photo at the end. But yeah, I'm just going to go through my planner and just show you what I have. So first I have on the note section, oh, also I bought my planner stickers from Planner Kate. I will link her down below. Everybody in the planning community knows her, and I decided to pick from her because she's really known. And yeah, so I just put this really big sticker, this box sticker. It's kind of too thin, so that was kind of a pet peeve, but, and then I just put my, for this month, so the first one on my list is no buy, which means no makeup, no Starbucks, no workout stuff because I am addicted to getting. Next is gym 3 times a week. This is going to be my second day this week going. I went to the gym on the 1st. I should actually, you know what, I'm gonna put that. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so I just added this random one. Man, I really need to buy a ton of stickers. Like, this is just too plain. Sorry about that. Okay, so And then I have, for the next goal, I have upload 2 days a week. That is for my beauty channel, and then also for this update video for planning. We will see. And then I just put this box in because I thought it was really cute. And then I have a day in my life sticker because these are the vlogs I film on my other channel, which I don't know where I want to put this yet. So that's why it's just sitting there. So I went to the gym for one. I worked, and then I have these boxes for how much I'm tracking my gas. So I paid $16 for gas. I worked all day. Chase, this bill is not due until August, so I might change that and put it in August. I had the day off today because I took my grandma to get surgery, and yeah, so I took that day off. Tomorrow's the 4th of July. And then today I'm actually filming a video, but I am going to upload it for Friday. So it's going to be my no buy. And then I also work Friday from 9:30 to 5:30. Saturday I will probably go to the gym because you know we are gonna party tomorrow and I'm gonna need it. So I'm going to put gym. Oh, actually, I'm going to the gym in like half an hour. So I'm just going to put it down here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. This is the ugliest plan with me you've ever seen, but I'm going to get better within the months. So hopefully you stay with me. I don't have much money to spend on stickers, so I just hope you can not judge me too harsh. Sunday is probably going to be a rest day. Monday I work 1 to 5:30. Tuesday the 9th is my phone bill and I want a video uploaded. I have no clue what I want to do, but it will be uploaded, which means I'm probably going to film a video on Sunday. Nothing to do on the 10th, so I will probably film a video and have that uploaded. I like to have my videos uploaded on Thursdays, but it looks like for the next couple weeks my Thursdays are going to be really busy. Okay, so I will have a video uploaded for Thursday. And I'm going to order stickers for August, which I'm super excited. I have 3 different shops I want to order from, so I really need to save my money. And then Friday I work. Saturday and Sunday, hopefully we go to Cedar Point. I have no clue yet because we want to buy fast passes and it's like $140. So I don't know. I need to make sure I'm saving my money. Monday the 15th, my Best Buy computer bill is due. I'm so excited for this because this computer bill is almost done. And I'm going to do my no buy update, which it will be Tuesday. It's my grandma's birthday, so I'm going to go home for these 2 days. And then it's my sister's birthday the day after. And then my Planet Fitness bill is due. Thursday, I'm planning a pack with me for Faster Horses. And then I also work all day, so I really need to film this video one of these days. Then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is the festival. Monday I come home, and then I'm gonna have my video uploaded by Tuesday, hopefully. Thursday I will have a day in my life videos uploaded. I really like those videos. And then Saturday I'm going to film a pack with me, and then hopefully it will be up by the 30th. And then I'm gonna also be doing more videos by the 1st, and then I move into my new apartment. So that is my monthly spread. Obviously it's going to change, and I'm sorry it's really plain, but this is what I decided to do for this month. Next month it will look so much prettier, so